Myself, Advocate Nikita Purohit, and I will teach you all the Indian Evidence Act. In the last lecture, I explained you from section 45 to section 47, which talks about the opinion of third person when become relevant. We have learned along with the illustrations. And in the upcoming video lecture, I am going to explain you from section 47A to section 50, which talks about the opinion as to relationships or usage, right to customs when become relevant. I am going to explain you that who can give an opinion in such cases and when does it become relevant. And further we'll learn that is the evidence sufficient to convict a person. We'll learn every section in detail along with few illustrations. Okay, so see you all in the next lecture. Thank you.